In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a tick on Google Docs and Google Slides. This process is not only easy, but also incredibly useful for adding a touch of professionalism or clarity to your documents. Let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step guide for incorporating ticks into your Google files. First, navigate to your Google Drive home page. If you're using a web browser, simply go to drive.google.com. Once you're there, find and click on the bright, colorful New button on the left-hand side. This will give you options to create new documents, sheets, and more. First, let's start with Google Docs. Go ahead and open an existing document, or if you don't have one yet, create a new one. Once your document is ready, look toward the upper corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Insert. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. From here, you should select Special Characters. Now, with the Special Characters pane open, you have two main ways to insert a tick. You can either manually search for the tick symbol by typing keywords like check or tick in the search box, or you can utilize the drawing tool to sketch the approximate shape of a tick. As you draw, the system will try to match your drawing with available symbols. Efficient, isn't it? If you find the tick symbol, simply click on it to insert it into your document. You can place this tick symbol wherever you want within your document. If you wish to customize it further, you can resize it or even add color to fit the style of your document. And just like that, you're done with adding a tick to your Google Doc. Easy, isn't it? Now let's move on to Google Sheets. The process here is quite similar. Access your Google Drive once again, and this time choose to create or open an existing Google Sheet. Just like before, head over to the Insert tab on the top menu, click it, and choose Special Characters, just like we did in Google Docs. While in the Special Characters panel, feel free to draw the tick symbol or type any relevant words in the search box to find it. Once you've spotted the tick, click on it to insert it into a cell in your spreadsheet. Just like with Google Docs, you can resize the symbol or change the color to suit your needs, and with these straightforward steps, we're all done. You've successfully learned how to add ticks to both Google Docs and Google Sheets, a neat way to enhance your documents and spreadsheets. It's simple yet effective in elevating the presentation of your work. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, keep creating with Google.